Hi, my name is Tom Simeone. I'm president and owner of Manor Tool and Manufacturing Company, Vogel Tool and Die, and CLL Engineering. We specialize in probably 3 or 4 areas. I'd say deep draw stamping, highly complex stainless forming, and then a lot of annealed spring steel forming and coining. Metal stamping is a process by which you take a coil or a strip of material, you feed it through a tool, and you end up with a piece part that is used in a component assembly. Sometimes these parts are very complex. Other times it's just simple form brackets for the end of a packaging application. Drawn stamping is a closed-end cup or box that isn't welded, and so you're relying on material flow. It's a cold forming process. Progressive stamping, where you take coil or a strip and you feed it through a die and you end up with a complex shape that's formed, coined, stamped, semi-perfed, countersunk. A metal fabrication, I always talk about it in the sense of a cookie cutter. A lot of times a customer can't afford a dedicated tool. We'll take sheet stock, you put it through a turret or a laser, and you cookie cutter a blank. So we have a total of about 30 presses or maybe 28 presses. And then you go through forming operations in a press brake that are simpler. We do everything from 5/1000 phosphor bronze all the way up to 1/4 inch cold roll or hot roll. A lot of aluminum, bronze, brass, a lot of stainless. 2 years ago, we just purchased a large footprint CNC mill that can go up to 80 inches by 40 for large die sets. We have a large water grinders, full array of assembly equipment depending on the requirements. We have our robotic work cell out from Auto Aftermarket. We do some flow weld, MIG and TIG welding on our product line for Vogel Tool. We take an engineering and scientific approach to metal stamping. We were ISO certified, and we use ISO as a tool. We actually use it to make continuous improvements in our shop on a regular basis. I don't believe in doing something just to say we have a certificate. It has to be something that can be applied and will actually improve the company as we do it. We're a highly diversified manufacturer. We are constantly investing in new technology and equipment. We serve a wide variety of industries. Industrial components, aftermarket auto, networking equipment, government, military, gear blank industry, electronic industry, aerospace aviation. We do stuff for the beer industry. We make a lot of hand tool parts. We make a lot of parts that go into HVAC systems. We service the packaging industry mainly because what they need is quality products on time without a hitch. When you do things right and you take care of your employees, it reflects on how they take care of your customers. That's important. Our employees are our best asset, no question.